The last video that I made about hair clip-in extensions was pretty successful, so I'm going to do a follow-up video. This was not planned. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Lizette. This is our channel where we talk about all things beauty. We talk about hair, we talk about contact lenses, we talk about makeup, we talk about everything beauty related and lifestyle related and fashion related. If you've been following me for a while, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to support our channel, and our family is growing. Thank you so much. Your support means a lot. Now today's video was not planned, but since the last video that I made talking about hair clip-in extensions was pretty successful, then I figured I should do a follow-up video in case you guys want to know more about how I manage, care for, and maintain and style my clip-in hair extensions. For those of you who haven't seen it, I'll put a link right here in the card so you can, after this video, hopefully check it out. And of course, don't forget to leave me a comment and let me know what do you want to see videos on, or if you want me to do more hair videos. I mentioned previously that I love hair. I love hair just as much as I love makeup. So doing hair videos, I want to try and incorporate it more into my into our channel this summer. So I just want to do more hair videos, and I want to know what you guys think, since your opinion means a lot to me. So let's talk about how I style and how I manage and care for hair extensions, the clip-in hair extensions. So for my clip-in hair extensions, I'm going to put a clip here. You guys are going to see how I shampoo them. And I usually try and do this once a week or once every 2 weeks, depending on how often I'm wearing my hair extensions that week. That usually determines how often I wash them or how often I just take care of them. So the way I do it is I shampoo them. I usually use the same shampoo that I use on my hair. I put a small handful in my hand, and I make sure my extensions have been detangled, which is very, very important. Make sure your extensions are detangled before you just go and wash them. If you don't, then they can get more damage because you're going to be spending more time trying to detangle them, and that's gonna, if it's real human hair, which the ones that I use are, then it's going to definitely cause a lot of breakage and make the extensions not look so pretty, and of course it's going to shorten the lifespan of the extensions. So we want to try and keep the extensions for as long as we can, and taking care of them is super, super important. I can't tell you guys how long I've had these extensions, probably like a year or two, and that's pretty long. And I haven't like changed them out. I haven't bought another pack. This is still the same pack pretty much that I have. Now it does, as you can see from the clip here that I showed you, it is a big pack. So it's a pretty big amount. It's a lot of hair extensions that come in that pack. So caring for them is very, very important, and I'm pretty sure I'm not going to go through this whole pack. So the way I take care of them, as you saw, I shampoo them, and then after I shampoo them once or twice, then I condition them. Now when I condition them, I put a handful of conditioner in my hair and I gently massage it through the extensions. Make sure you are very, very gentle with the extensions. Be very, very gentle with them, since it is like human hair, and it's like the way you treat your own hair. You want to be gentle with your hair when you're conditioning and detangling. So I make sure that I'm very, very gentle with the extensions. As you can see, then I just take a wide tooth comb and then I just comb them out. And then once I'm done combing them out, I make sure I wash that conditioner out very good. Make sure I get up in the top where the clip-ins, as you can see where the clips are, I make sure I wash them out really good. And then the way I usually will style them is I usually do this the night before I plan on wearing them. So like for example, today's Monday. If I plan on wearing my extensions tomorrow, Tuesday, I'm gonna do this whole process Monday night. That way I can let the extensions air dry. And the way I usually let them air dry is I just over the shower rod. I just hang them up over the shower rod and leave them to dry overnight, and then in the morning, depending on if I'm going to wear them straight or if I'm going to wear them curly, I'll show you guys in the different clips the way I wear them straight and the way I wear them curly. Usually if I'm wearing them straight, I just will very, very gently detangle with a comb, and then take the section and take the section and then flat iron it, as you can see here. And then if I'm wearing them curly, I usually like to put no heat on my hair extensions if I'm wearing them curly, which I think has also aided in them lasting so long. So I will detangle the section and then roll them up. I put a light spritz of water, just very light, just to get it a little bit damp, not soaking wet, but just damp. And then I will roll the curler up and leave it like that overnight, and by the morning they are nice and curly and bouncy and pretty. Then I just lightly mist it with some hairspray, and then as soon as I am parting my hair and wearing it curly, I just clip the extensions in, make sure I loosen up the curl a little bit in the hair extensions as well as in my own hair, and it blends very well. No one can ever tell when I'm wearing hair extensions. Like, people have said, oh, your hair looks so beautiful, and I'm like, just to kind of throw them off, I'm like, oh yeah, I'm wearing clip-in extensions. They look at me like, what clip-ins? They can never tell when I'm wearing clip-ins, because I try and make it look as natural with my own hair as possible, which to me is the whole point of clip-in extensions. It's like your hair but better, you know. You want it to look as natural as possible. And of course you don't have to tell anyone that you're wearing clip-in extensions if you are, but just to throw people off or just to see their facial expression, I usually sometimes will tell them. So that is the way that I style my hair extensions and the way that I care for and maintain them, and like I said, that is why they have lasted me a pretty long time. Now, if you guys want to see a video on how I made my hair extensions, I figure I'd make that a separate video. So of course, let me know in the comment section down below. I love reading your comments, and when you guys comment, it lets me know which videos to make or how I should tailor my videos or what I should include or talk about. So I really do appreciate your comments. It really, really does mean a lot to me. And of course, if you have not subscribed already, make sure you hit the red subscribe button. I really do appreciate it, and welcome to the YouTube family. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified of when I upload. And of course, leave me a comment. Give this video a thumbs up. It really does help me out a lot, and I really, really do appreciate it. And of course, let me know what other kind of hair videos you want to see next. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!